Welcome everyone, and in this video we will talk about the social security system in Italy. This is of course a brief introduction, and it is just a small video, and of course in case you need further assistance you can contact us via email or book a call in the link below. We have a good news. We released a brand new video course about how to invest in real estate in Italy, all the things you need to know. So if you want to have more information, stay tuned because we will put the link in the description. So let's jump into this important topic: social security. In Italy, if you are a freelance, if you start a business, if you have a VAT number, you have to get one of those two social contribution system: gestione separata or gestione commercianti. Actually, there is also a third case, meaning that if you are, for instance, an accountant, a lawyer, an engineer, you don't pay those social contribution, but you pay directly to the system. You pay directly the social contribution to the register, for instance, of the accountant. But this is maybe will be the topic for another video. I decided to talk about the gestione separata e commercianti because it's one of the most important things for our clients. So gestione separata, basically this you can use it if you are, let's say, regime forfettario or regime impatriati, doesn't matter. What is the percentage that you pay? In this case, you pay, basically, it changes every year, but more or less are 26.2%, calculated on top of the profit. And of course, I would like to remind you that if you are a regime forfettario, the profit is a forfait. If you are a regime impatriati or an ordinary regime, you have, for instance, revenues minus costs. Whereas gestione commercianti basically is the gestione that you pay if you have a commercial activity. And in this case, I would like to recommend you to check the Ateco code to understand what is your type of business. But just remind that if you are an IT consultant, in general, you pay an IT consultant, a marketing consultant, in general, a consultant, you pay the gestione separata. Whereas if you have a business who build, transform things, let's say, you pay the gestione commercianti. And the gestione commercianti is a little bit different because basically you have to pay more or less 4,000 euro per year, and 4,500 euro per year, plus, of course, if you earn more than 18,000 euro, you pay also a percentage, which is more or less 24.48%. What are the news? The news are that you can use a 50% deduction this year. So you will pay, for instance, with the gestione commercianti, you have a reduction of 50% for 36 months. This is the good news. But so be aware, before closing the video or the end, pay attention. You have to pay one of those two type of social contribution, and it may be 1, the gestione separata; 2, the gestione commercianti; 3, actually there is one case for which it can be both of them if you have an SRL, so that's why here it's better to do a tax simulation. 4th case, which is not the topic of this video, if you are an accountant, a lawyer, you are registered to another type of system. So I hope that this video clarifies you some points. See you next time. Fausto Carnevale. Enjoy your staying in Italy, and remember that our new video course about taxes and real estate in Italy is ready.